last week we talked about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, conjugate, division, and also the argument of complex numbers, and I showed you guys how to solve every of what I just mentioned with your calculator. Today, like I told you last week, I'll be sharing with you how to solve the polar form of complex numbers just with your calculator. All this you are seeing on your screen can be solved with your calculator, so just don't worry and keep on watching. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you everything I know about the polar form of complex numbers just with your calculator. Let's dive in. Today we're going to be talking about complex number 2, polar form. Now, without wasting your time, I want to show you how to use your calculator to dial all this without actually wasting your time. So the first thing is express z equal to 4 plus 3 imaginary number in polar form. Now, without wasting your time, what you have to do is simply dial this in your calculator. Make sure it's in complex mode. If you don't know how to convert it in complex mode, simply dial mode complex, that is 2, let's can say 2, complex mode. Now, to solve this question, express z equal to 4 plus 3i in polar form. What you have to do is simply go to complex form, that's complex mode, shift complex, that's 2, complex, as you can see 2. Now look at this 3, that is converting it into the standard. Press 3. Now dial in your question behind. Four plus 3i. As you can see, as simple as that. As you can see, as simple as that. Now, if you want to actually convert it into this form, what you have to do is just write this thing down somewhere and redial it into your calculator. You can simply write it down somewhere like 5, 3, 6.8, 698. And dial this into your calculator once more to get this exact form, and that is 36.8698. Abi, yes, it was. Now down here, as you can see, this is how to get it. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is this question. Now in school, whenever I see something like this, express this blah 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 in form a plus I get tired because I don't understand how to solve it, but now I literally know how to solve it. But I can show you how to use a calculator to break this thing down, and it won't cause you any headache. Just simply dial the question into this your calculator and it will get everything solved for you. Now see how to do this. Make sure it's in complex mode. Now simply dial the question. Join me if you are with your calculator. 5 bracket. Wait, if you have been learning and getting value out of this video, please don't forget to give this video a maximum thumbs up, and please subscribe, because every Saturday all I share in this channel every Saturday is all about calculators, all about calculator tricks that will help you boost your math skills. So if that is what you want, please subscribe. If that is what you want, please subscribe. Every Saturday, come back to this channel and receive a new video all about this big boy calculator. So without wasting your time, let's continue. Now, as you can see, minus 3.8 blah 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 plus 321 approximately 4. If you continue going, I. You can simply just see that it's simple with your calculator. Now let's try the next one, which is express this back to form A plus BI. Don't mind the rays of my light. To express this in form of what's this doing here? To express this in form of a complex standard form is simply dialing this into, let me show you. You dial 4, go back here and shift as you can see, as simple as that. 1.5 minus 2.598 I, as simple as that. The next one is simplify this. Wow. Now in school, if you give me this kind of thing in two polar form, if you give me this kind of thing, I will just leave the question for you.
Yeah, no. Life's too short. See ya.
It's super simple. With your calculator, simply dial in the question into your calculator and you get the answer without stressing and without causing yourself headache. So let's try this. As you can see, you've gotten it. Now if you convert cos 54 multiplying by 5 will give you 2.93, and sine 54 multiplying by 5 will give you 4.045. As simple as that. Next week Saturday, we are going to be talking about a very critical topic like I mentioned earlier, and that topic is the number system. Did you know you can actually solve what you're seeing on your screen with your calculator? I bet you didn't know. Next week Saturday, I will show you how. And please, if you have not watched the first video all about complex numbers, make sure you click on the video on your screen right here and watch that video. And also don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend that you know. A friend that needs this video, please share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Next week I will see you in the video all about number system.